is up? Welcome to my channel. I'm HollyLynora, and today's video we are making pumpkin spice creamer at home, a little DIY. I know that the pumpkin spice cold brew, the lattes, every single way you can get a coffee, you can do it pumpkin spice style. So I figured let's make it at home, and if we like it, we're gonna save ourselves quite a few dollars. And with the holiday season coming up, saving some dinero is pretty important. So in front of me, I have all the tools that I need. I do want to just say, this is my KitchenAid. You can use a hand blender, you can use an immersion blender, you can whisk it together by hand. You do not need a KitchenAid to make this. This is just what I personally chose to use. I love my KitchenAid. This is Maddie for Black Matte KitchenAid. So her name's Maddie. No, I'm kidding. Kind of. Anyways, this is what we're gonna use. Go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, hit that thumbs up button, and if you wanna learn how to make pumpkin spice creamer at home, keep watching. Okay, so before I make it, I just wanted to show you, these are the ingredients that I am using, but I did want to say that you can use sweetened condensed milk or heavy whipping cream. It doesn't have to be both together. I'm not going to use both together. I just wanted to show you all the ingredients that I am using. Salt, whipping cream, cinnamon, there's the condensed milk, but today I'm using the whipping cream, pumpkin pie spice, ground nutmeg, and organic pumpkin puree. Okay, who's excited? I'm excited. Let's make this pumpkin spice creamer. So I've already opened my pumpkin puree. Okay, that's annoying. But this is the bowl that everything's going into. I've already opened my pumpkin puree. This is from Farmer's Market. It was expensive. I went to Ingles and Walmart and all the pumpkin puree was gone. So I went to Fresh Market and bought this, and yes, I know I overpaid, but still, I needed to get it. I wanted to get it, so here it is. I've got a tablespoon measurement right here. Isn't this cute? My mom got me a little heart-shaped measuring set, and they're so cute. Thanks, Mom. Okay, so we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of this pumpkin puree. And you don't have to be precise. You don't have to scrape the top and make sure it's exactly 2 tablespoons. This is honestly your personal, you can put your own twist to it type of pumpkin cream. I'm gonna throw it right in this bowl. Looks kind of gross, but that's okay. Tablespoon number 2. See, that one's a little heaping over, a lot heaping over, and we're gonna just throw it right in there as well. Next, and this does not have to go in any particular order, we're just doing a pinch of salt, just a little pinch of salt. Like that much. Right into the bowl. Okay, salt seems a little bit weird, but just trust me, pinch of salt will do this good. Now we are going into heavy whipping cream. Like I said before, you could use this sweetened condensed milk. I got this one because it was fat-free, and I thought maybe I'll try it, but then I did, you know, the battle of the creams, and it was, I mean, I'm a Southern girl. Heavy whipping cream it is. Plus, for the video, I've got to go all out, right? So here we go, heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna start with half a cup, and then we'll mix it, and if I feel like we need more, we'll throw more in there. No big deal. And I may need more. We'll see how it all mixes in. Now we've got ground cinnamon. Going to do 2 dashes. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Gonna do a dash. Well, it was more than just 1 dash, but, and this is ground nutmeg that just went in. And of course, we're going to do a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. Just a little. Like I said, it's however you feel. As long as you have these ingredients, you do your thing, girl. Okay, everything is in. Now it's time to whip it. Okay, so it is all in the KitchenAid. I am gonna start it on this lowest setting right here. Stir, just so it doesn't like splat out at us. Very slow start. Oh gosh. Okay, so I turned it off and now I'm going to scrape down the sides so I don't miss. Okay, this is hard to do and hold a camera so we don't miss any of that goodness, but you can see how thick it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's coming together. Now you can always add more heavy cream. You could switch it up and loosen it by adding a little half and half. You could add more pumpkin if you wanted it really pumpkin-y. You make it your own fall flavor. So clearly with heavy whipping cream, something my mom taught me, and you may already know, but if you whip it, it will turn into whipped cream. So now it looks like we have a whipped. Okay, we were staring at the cream and I was talking, so it was weird. I turned the camera back on me. Anyways, if you whip heavy whipping cream long enough, you will get whipped cream. So it's looking like we kind of have a whipped pumpkin spice creamer. So we're gonna roll with it. We're gonna rock with it. If you don't want it that thick, you can always add half and half. You can add things, milk, condensed milk, whatever it may be, to loosen up that liquid. Also, you can add more heavy whipping cream and just stop whipping it. So let's get this creamer on coffee. Okay, so this is clearly hot coffee. Right now it's just black, and this is iced coffee that I brewed and then I put in the freezer for a little bit, probably about 30 minutes, and then poured it over ice. So we're gonna do the pumpkin creamer on the hot and the cold. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to do the hot one first. Like I said, this is just black coffee right now, but I just have a regular old spoon here. And I am going to, oh my gosh. Guys, this is so like fluffy. It looks absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna spoon it out on top of my hot coffee. And just to be extra, I'm going to make it super cute with a little Ready Whip extra creamy. A little bit of pumpkin pie spice on top. This is the cutest drink ever. Hold on, I have to get you an up close shot before I take a sip. You see the pumpkin cream all around the edge. Yummy. I can smell the notes of pumpkin. It smells so good. It's so fall-y. I think we put the perfect amount of pumpkin in there. It's not like overwhelming pumpkin. It's not super sweet. I don't like my coffee super sweet. I used to, but I don't anymore. This is like the perfect amount. And no, I don't normally put whipped cream on top of my coffee. I just liked the little added touch. Okay, so after thinking about it, this bad boy has ice in it, and as thick as that creamer is, or we're just gonna call it a foam, whatever. As thick as it is, I think what I wanna do is froth it with my little frother guy here in another glass with iced coffee that has no ice. So now we have plenty of room to froth it and see how that works out. Then we can add ice. Okay, we'll start with 2 spoonfuls and see how she mixes. Well, it mixed right up. Okay. Let me just go ahead and take a sip. I feel like adding whipped cream on this too, just because it's so cute. That is delicious. Oh my gosh. And there's plenty left over. You can store your pumpkin creamer / pumpkin foam for up to 5 days in the fridge. So if you want to make a big batch of it, like if you have a whole family that loves it or you and your roommate love it, make a big batch. With the amount of money you've spent on getting the ingredients and stuff compared to going to Starbucks every day and getting a pumpkin spice whatever, fill in the blank, you're gonna save some money and it is so tasty. Okay, now I have ice in it. I am so happy we made this today. And the hot one, oh my god, I'm not gonna freaking double fist pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh, somebody help. Okay guys, let me know if you tried this recipe, what you think of it. Of course, you do not have to go word for word by what I did. You can make it, you know, less calories, low fat, just whatever you want to do. Just make it your own. Have fun with it. Think of me while you do it. Now I'm gonna go figure out what fall thing I'm going to do next. I hope you liked my video and my little fall attire. I'm so happy that it's finally cooling down here in North Carolina. You have like a chilly breeze, like you need a jacket now. I think it's wonderful. Anyways guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy fall, y'all. Bye.